got a message on my voicemail, and the woman's voice on the other side was filled with optimism and expectation. I still have that voicemail.
Must have fell asleep last night, just right.
1,601 days ago, in a restaurant patio in Venice Beach, I entered into a pledge with a woman I just met. After inviting each other into our circles of trusts, we looked at each other and pledged and asked each other, we gonna do this? We gonna do this. 1,602 days ago, at a card game in Los Angeles, I fell in love at first sight.
Now cars are passing and birds are laughing as trees are holding up the sky. In the window, do they feel it? Have they seen it grow? Have they been watching us? Do they know?
Craig Davis, Taylor West. This is the day that the Lord has made. It is an ordained day. This is a special day.
Will you always be my love?
The sincerity and trust that we had on that first date was real. And the strength of your confidence during that first time I met you gave me love at first sight. That optimism, that sincerity, that truth, that trust has continued over and over and on. And I pledge to you that I will make sure that we continue to keep that optimism of our future and our love and happiness together for the rest of my life.
We have a circle of trust that we established then that has always been with us and will continue to be with us. You are my best friend. I pledge and I vow to you and the boys that I will love, honor, and cherish you guys. You are my family. You have been from day one. And I'm so excited to do this. I love you so much. This ring I give to you.
In token and in pledge.
In token and in pledge.
Of our constant faith.
Of our constant faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
My love, my love, my love, my love.
God, having joined these two together by the authority committed unto me as a minister of the gospel in Atlanta, Georgia, Fulton County, but now today in Montego Bay, I declare that Craig Davis and Taylor West are now husband and wife according to the ordinances of God and the laws of this state. God having joined these two couples together in marriage, let no person ever seek to dissolve this relationship. You may now salute or kiss or hold the bride. Let me present to you all as you stand to your feet, Mr. and Mrs. Craig and Taylor Davis. Give them a round.
Need a little sweetness in my life. each of you has a special relationship with Craig and Taylor, and that special relationship has really translated into a wonderful, wonderful event.
It's fantastic, especially if you love someone and they love you back. This is one special occasion where two people have met each other and they start loving each other. It happens very
I am so proud of you, Taylor, for becoming the woman that you are, and for loving Craig the way you do, and Craig, same.
I'm thankful for the relationship that we have growing together as brothers, and just to really be able to see you find someone and really just fall in love. I remember the first time that I met Taylor, and then just seeing from there how I've seen your heart just really just reach out so much to Taylor. And that's an amazing thing. I'm just so happy for you. I can't even explain how happy I am for you.
We appreciate your thoughts, and even if you didn't speak today, we know it. You guys have told us all individually how amazing I am.
If you want to cry.